Hello, my name is Stefania Garzon, and this is my MEA 100 video for the atmosphere module. In this video, I will be talking about Hurricane Michael that hit Florida in 2018. Before we talk about Hurricane Michael, it is important that we understand how a hurricane forms. First, warm water evaporates. The moisture rises, creating thunderstorms. Then, winds spiral upward and outward. A low pressure system forms over the ocean surface. Third, clouds form in the upper atmosphere as the warm air condenses. Fourth, the entire storm system starts to spin counterclockwise or clockwise depending on the hemisphere. When the winds rotate 74 miles per hour, a Category 1 hurricane is born. Then, when the storm passes over land, the supply of moisture and heat is cut off and the storm gradually dissipates. Dissipation can also occur when the storm is near cold air. Warm ocean water with a sea surface temperature of at least 80 degrees Fahrenheit is fuel for a hurricane. According to the National Hurricane Center, the storms form over warm ocean water near the equator. Hurricane season in the Atlantic usually runs from June 1st to November, and the peak of storm activity occurs around September 10th. Now let's talk about Michael. Hurricane Michael made landfall at 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time on October 10, 2018, near Mexico Beach, Florida. Its size was 300 miles in diameter, with winds of 155 miles per hour and the central pressure of 919 millibars. Millibars is the standard unit for measuring atmospheric pressure used by the National Weather Service. Based on reports, Michael is the strongest hurricane by pressure since Camille in 1969 and by wind speed since Andrew in 1992. Andrew's winds were recorded at 165 miles. In contrast with Andrew and Katrina, by atmospheric pressure, Andrew was 922 millibars and Katrina was 920 millibars. Hurricane Michael headed north to the Carolinas as a tropical storm and was the strongest hurricane to ever hit Georgia in the last decade. Michael left a 200-mile trail of destruction in Florida. 322 counties across the South declared state of emergency. A death toll of at least 39 people by October 22nd. 7.7-foot storm surge, between $3 and $5 billion of wind and surge damage. But the total cost was of $16 billion. More than 1 million people without power, and hundreds of thousands of people with damaged homes in unlivable conditions. Before I finish, it's important to say, due to climate change, ocean and air temperatures are rising, causing hurricanes to get stronger, wetter, and slower, meaning they're more static. They're more reluctant to moving away. It's important that we take care of our world. It's important that we take care of our water. It's important that we take care of Earth so we can prevent more disasters like this. Thank you so much for watching.